Hello and welcome all my dear students. How have you been? This is Rohan sir from Madhi English Medium School. I welcome all my dear second standard students in today's grammar lecture. Dear students, the previous lecture was of English. I know we have done the worksheet of lesson number 9 and 10. And I hope that you have enjoyed solving the worksheet questions with the given countdown time. You were trying to guess the correct answer. So now I have brought one grammar lecture after the interesting English lecture. Yes, this grammar lecture is also very interesting just as the previous English lecture. Now you will say, sir, how? Before we see what is there in the lecture, how do you guarantee that this lecture is interesting? It is actually very interesting. So what are we going to do? This is what you might be thinking. We are going to solve all new worksheets for the topic preposition and conjunctions. These are the topics which we have done. These are the chapter in the grammar which we have completed. So these two chapters are done in the grammar textbook. But like I said, even in the previous English lecture, I told you, as you are not there physically present in the school, we cannot give you the physical copy of the worksheet. We are solving it in our lectures. Similarly, if you remember, when you were in the school, you were getting the physical worksheet, that is a hard copy of the worksheet for the grammar 2. Now, we are not able to distribute that amongst the student. So, I have brought these worksheets here in the lecture so that we can solve it easily. And again, the advantages are, you are going to get few seconds to guess the correct answer for each question. Not only that, but also the answers also you will get on the spot. So there will be no doubts or the queries remaining in the lecture. In fact, it will be like a game for you, as you are getting few seconds to think about the correct answer. And you will really feel very happy if your answer will be correct. So this is the format for today's lecture 2. Let's get started. For this you have to just keep your rough book, pencil and whatever stationery stuff needed. You need not have to get the grammar textbook because these worksheets are made by me. So the questions obviously are not going to be from the grammar textbook. So just hold your rough book and be ready to write the answers. Yes, you heard it correctly. You just have to write the answers, not the questions, because there will be no time for you remaining to write the questions or the answers. You can write either of this. So you will have to write just the answers. So I hope now you are ready with your rough books. As in all the lectures, I asked you to hold your rough book. So you have to be prepared. It is well understood that you have to keep the rough book with you. Now write the heading. In the heading part, you have to write you have to just write the today's date. Write properly the date, either on the left or on the right corner of the page. Then just give the heading worksheet. The first worksheet which you are going to solve is of conjunction. So give the heading conjunction. The spelling is written right here where my cursor is moving. Conjunction. Worksheet should be written at the very top, and below that you have to write conjunction, because then on the next page you will have to write preposition. Okay, I hope you are ready with the heading. Now I am going to display the worksheet on the screen. Carefully read the question when I am reading, and whenever I start the countdown, that is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, at that time you have to think about the answer, not just wander here and there. So let's get started. So my dear students, as you can see here on the screen, this is the worksheet of conjunction. Complete the sentences with the correct conjunction. Options are also given. And as you know that in our portion we have done only 3 conjunction: and, or, but. So we are going to solve the conjunction related sentences which will only contain these three conjunction and or but. So let's get started. I hope that you are ready to solve it with me. Also, pictures are given to support your ideas and to support your answer. You can just examine the picture. Number 1. My grandma makes tasty food dash tasty snacks. So food, snacks. So just think which will work here, and or but. Your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what should be the answer? My grandma makes tasty food but tasty snacks? No. And tasty snacks. This should be the answer. Because here we do not have to give the option. Here both the ideas are combined. My grandma makes both of these things very tasty. Tasty food and tasty snacks. So I hope that you have written the same answer. If not, if you have written but, then please change your answer to and. And let me once again tell you that I am going to send you the PDF file of this worksheet. So now you have to just write the answer in the proper sequence, so that once I send you the PDF file, you can write the answer with the questions properly. Okay, this is done. Let's move towards the next. Number 2. Her writing is good dash her spellings are weak, and but, which can be used here. Again, your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what was the answer? Answer should be but. Her writing is good but her spellings are weak. Here, because both the ideas are opposite. Both the statements are opposite. One thing is good and one thing is weak, which we can say that bad. So spellings are not good but the writing is good. So these are the opposite views, opposite ideas. That is why we have to keep but as the conjunction to join these two sentences. Her writing is good but her spellings are weak. Let us move towards next. Please make sure if you write the answer before I write it down on the screen, then you have to check your answer. Number 3. Matt dash John are playing on the beach, and but, which will be used? Okay, try to guess the correct answer. Your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, hold on my dear students. Did you get the answer? Matt is a name of boy. John is also a name of a boy. So Matt dash John are playing on beach. Matt and John, because both are playing. Only if the opposite views are there, opposite ideas are there, only then you will use but. Otherwise, if similar ideas are there, of the views sentence are there, sentences of the same views are there, at that time you have to use and to combine the sentence. So here and is the correct answer. Matt and John are playing on the beach. Can you see the picture? That is why the pictures are given for you to guess the correct answer. Number 4. Alice fell down dash. She did not get hurt. And but. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So Alice fell down, dash she did not get hurt. First of all, you have to see sentence first half part and the sentence after the blank second half part are matching with each other or are opposite views. Alice fell down. So if someone falls down, they get hurt. But here on the second half side, it is written that she did not get hurt. So both shares the opposite views. So when there is an opposite view or the opposite ideas, then you have to use but. So here but is the correct answer. Alice fell down but she did not get hurt. Okay, so here all the four on the first page we have done. And is the answer for the first, but is the answer for the second, and is the answer for the third, and but is the answer for fourth. I hope that you have also checked your answers. Okay, let's move towards the next page. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction again. Now here mixed options are given. Somewhere and but is there, somewhere and or is there, somewhere but or is there. But only you have to select from the options. If here but is not given, say for an example, if in the first question in the option but is not given, that means answer will never be but. It can be only from and or. I hope I made it very clear to you. So let's get started with the second exercise. Please leave one line, write question 2 as a heading, as a subheading I should say. And then start writing answer 1, answer 2, answer 3 and likewise. Okay, let's get started with main question 2. Let us read the question and solve it. The ant helped the dove dash the pigeon. The ant helped the dove dash the pigeon. And or, which will be the correct answer? Your countdown starts now. Try to guess the correct answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, what is the correct answer? The ant helped the dove and the pigeon? Yes. Or you can say the ant helped the dove or the pigeon? No. Here the ideas can be joined with and. Ant helped both dove and the pigeon. So and is the correct answer here. I hope you have written the same answer. Okay, number 2. Jill played the game well, dash won the trophy. And but. Now you perfectly know what is the use of and but. So your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So the correct answer is and, because here same views are there, same opinions are there. Jill played the game well and won the trophy. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you are correcting your answers if you are writing the incorrect answer before I type it on here in the blanks. So please check your answers properly so that later you get the PDF, you can write the answers in the sequence properly. Number 3. Alice fell down, dash hurt her feet. And or. Think about the correct answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So, what answer did you write, students? Or and let us match it. Alice fell down or hurt her feet. Oh no, this does not sound good. Neither does it sound good nor it matches here. So and is the correct answer. because Alice fell down and hurt her feet. This too, first half and second half matches with each other. So, and is the perfect option here. Number 4. The king is rich. Dash, the beggar is poor. So, please think about and or but, which will be the correct answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So here you have to use but. The king is rich, but the beggar is poor. Number 5. Derek is inside the house. Jonathan is outside the house. But or, which will be used? Again, your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What will be the correct answer? Here, if you can see, Derek is inside the house. Jonathan is outside the house. Both are the opposite views. So, Derek is inside the house, but Jonathan is outside the house. So, but will be the answer. Number 6. Polly likes crossword puzzles. Dash. Martha likes jigsaw puzzles. And but, which will be used? Again, your countdown starts. Now it should be pretty easy for you to solve it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, 0. So, what answer did you write? Did you write and? Or did you write but? See here again, Polly likes something else and Martha likes something else. Opposite views, so obviously but will be used. So, Polly likes crossword puzzles, but Martha likes jigsaw puzzles. Number 7, which is the last one for the conjunction. Mike has a pet rabbit, dash a squirrel, and but. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, what is the correct answer? Mike has a pet rabbit and a squirrel, because nowhere in the second half part can we see the opposite view. So these are the 7 answers. I hope that you have written it properly. Soon you will get the PDF file for the conjunction. Now be ready. On the next page, give the heading preposition. I hope that you have given the heading properly. Choose the correct preposition to complete the sentence. Choose the correct preposition to complete the sentence. So let us solve this exercise properly. I hope that you enjoyed solving conjunction. In the same way, you will also enjoy solving this exercise of preposition. Now you will say, sir, what is preposition? Preposition which shows the position properly, or which shows the connection between the two nouns in the sentences properly. We have very well done it. So let us solve it. Here the pictures again are there to support your views or the ideas. You can use the pictures to make your ideas and views clear. You can use the picture. You can see the picture and get the answer very easily. Let's get started. Again, you have to write answer 1, answer 2, same way we were doing in the conjunction. Please make sure that you start this preposition from the new page. Number 1. Mangoes are dash a basket. In, on, under. Mangoes are dash a basket. Your countdown starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So mangoes are in a basket. You cannot say on because it is inside the basket, and from inside it is everything inside the basket. Mangoes are there. That means the basket is filled with the mangoes. If the basket was covered and the mangoes were on that cover, then we could say that on the basket. But here it is inside the basket, so mangoes are in a basket. So I hope that you have written the same answer. If not, change your answer and write in. Number 2. Water is dashed a glass. Where can you see the water in the glass? Okay. So I just will give you 4 seconds for this. Try to get the answer. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you say water is on the glass? No. Then water is under the glass? Under the glass? No. Water is in the glass. So in is the correct answer. Okay, I have placed the correct answers properly. Moving to the next. Number 3. A letter is dashed a mat. Okay, I will zoom in the picture so that you can observe it clearly. One letter is there. This letter is, if you can see, and the mat is there. So try to guess the correct answer. How can you say a letter is in, on, under a mat? Which is the correct option? Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the correct answer is under. U-N-D-E-R, under. So a letter is under a mat. If you can see, it is under a mat. So it is half covered by mat. Number 4. A ball is dashed the tub. A ball is dashed the tub. Okay. Now if you have seen the picture properly, your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is in. So a ball is in the tub is the correct statement. Now number 5. A rat is dashed a box. Can you see a rat and the box? Now decide what should be the answer. In, on, under. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so a rat is on the box. Okay, on should be the answer. The rat is sitting on the box, right? So rat is on the box. It is not under the box or inside the box. Okay, number 6. A dog is dashed a tree. A dog, can you see a dog? Is dashed a tree. In, on, under. Quickly, you will get 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So what should be the correct answer? Obviously under, because a dog is standing under a tree shed. So if the dog is standing under the tree shade, that is why we are writing under. We cannot say inside the tree or on the tree. It is not on the tree, definitely. So this way you have to see, you have to observe the options as well. Now let us solve the last exercise, which is very interesting. You have to just see this picture, observe this picture very carefully, and then you have to answer. Options are also given here. So let us solve it. The cat is sitting dash the chair. Can you see the cat? So a cat is sitting dash the chair. Here is the chair and here is the cat. Is the cat under the chair? No. On the chair? Yes. So on should be the answer. The cat is sitting on the chair. Number 2. The books are dash the table. Can you see the table? Yes. Where are the books? Here the books are. So the books are dash the table, on the table. Here also answer should be on. Number 3. The shoes are dash the table. Here is the table. Where are the shoes? Here the shoes are. So the shoes dash the table. The shoes are under the table. So under is the answer. Number 4. The clock is dash the table. Where is the clock in the picture? Here the clock is on the table. So on should be the answer. Now my dear students, the dog is sitting dash the box. Can you see the dog anywhere? Yes, here is the dog. Where is dog sitting? In the box. So the dog is sitting dash the box, in the box. Now these two are for you in the homework. You have to solve these two in the homework. So please solve and send it to either to me or to your follow-up teachers. With this I end my today's lecture. Have a nice day. Goodbye.